For crawlspace vent sizing, use the thumb rule that 1/150th of the crawlspace floor area should be vented unless a full vapor barrier is present. The classic 1/150th rule means total net-free vent area equals crawlspace floor area divided by 150, measured in square feet, and you must count the net-free area of each grill or louver after accounting for insect screens and obstructions. Measure the crawlspace perimeter and depth to calculate floor area accurately, and then multiply by that fraction to find required vent area. Place vents low on walls for crossflow and split the area evenly for opposing walls to promote circulation. If a continuous vapor barrier covers the ground and walls and seams are taped and sealed, many authorities allow reducing or eliminating passive vents because the vapor source is controlled. Modern best practice often shifts to full encapsulation combined with mechanical ventilation using a conditioned supply or dehumidified air to control humidity more reliably than passive vents alone. Always follow local building code, which may specify a different ratio, required vent placement, or mandatory encapsulation in certain climates. When retrofitting, inspect for blocked vents, standing water, or missing vapor barriers before altering vent area. The most common mistake is assuming the visible opening size equals net-free area, which ignores screen and louver blockage, and the remedy is to use manufacturer.net free area data or measure open area with a template and adjust vent count accordingly. Another frequent issue is relying on passive vents in humid climates where outside air increases moisture. The practical fix is to consider encapsulation plus mechanical dehumidification or conditioned supply air to maintain interior humidity below 60%. A third problem is failing to seal crawlspace penetrations and vents when converting to encapsulation, which defeats the vapor barrier, so remove or permanently seal unnecessary vents, tape all seams, and seal around pipes and piers to maintain a continuous moisture barrier. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we and other members share real-world experiences about crawlspace, venting, encapsulation, and humidity control. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to showcase projects and engage directly with homeowners and community conversations.